This is Dr. Archana Chaturvedi from the Department of Information Technology. The subject I am taking is Artificial Intelligence. Within this, we are talking about list programming, which comes under Unit 5. In this, today we will discuss about different list manipulation functions. So let's start with first, that is list car. Basically, list had been the most important in the primary composite data structure in traditional list. And in present time, common list provides other data structures also like vectors, hash table, classes, structures. And lists are like a singly linked list. And lists are constructed as a chain of simple record structure named cons linked together. CONS cons linked together. So in this, if we look at the various list manipulation functions which are available in list bar, first is car. Car is a function which is used to extract a part of a list. It extracts a part of a list. CDR also extract a part of a list, whereas cons construct a list. Nth CDR call CDR n number of times. Nth will be going to return the nth element from the list. Set car will be going to change the first element of the list, and set CDR change the rest of the element of a list except first. So one by one we'll see all these list manipulation functions in bit detail. So let's move further and see the cons record structure. So cons is a record structure which contains two components called CAR and CDR. Cons cells or cons are objects which are pair of values that are created using function cons only. The cons function takes two arguments and returns a new cons cells which contains two values. These values can be referenced to any kind of object. If the second value is not nil or another cons cell, then the value are printed as a dotted pair enclosed in parentheses. So the two values in a cons cell are called the car and the CDR. The car function is used to access always the first value, whereas CDR function is used to access the second value onwards. Car, the first value from the list, CDR, except first, second values onwards. How? We will see this. And cons is to build a list. This is an example where we are saying write cons 1, 2. It means I want to create a list which is having two values 1 and 2. Again AB, this is a list 1 nil, only 1 is over there. Cons 1, within this another list cons 2 nil. It means first element is 1. We have to construct another list within this which is having only 2 as a value. 1, 2 in the list. Cons 1, cons 2, cons 3 nil. So 1, 2, 3. Cons A, cons B, cons C nil. Again A, B, C. Now from this list, if we want to extract the first character, what we do? First of all, look over here. Cons A within bracket cons B within again inner bracket cons C. Inner bracket is going to get closed over here. It will return C. It will return BC. It will return ABC. So the list will be containing A, B and C. What I am doing, I want to extract character. Which character? Using car. What car do? Car extract first character. So as a return value, you will be getting A. So this is A. Whereas with the same list which is holding ABC as a list member, if we use CDR, what it do? It will not extract the first character. It will extract rest of the character, that is B and C. So that is why the output over here is B and C. So you can look over here carefully that how the things are being done, and you just try these all examples which are basically constructing a list. So this example has shown how the cons structure is used to create a singly list. The list ABC consists of 3 cons cells linked together by CDRs. So you have to remember. So I just suggest you practice this. If there is any issue, you can ask me. Put the details in the description box. I'll help you out. Another is list. So list and list. Although const cell can be used to create a list, we have just seen. However, constructing a list out of nested const function calls can't be the best solution. The list function can be used separately. It is rather used for creating list in list. The list function can take any number of argument as it is a function. It evaluates its argument, and in this the first and rest function gives the first function gives the first element, rest function gives the rest element. As in case of const, you have used car to extract first element and cdr to extract second elements onwards. Similarly, from the list, first will return the first item and rest will return the rest of the items. So in this, an example you can see, list 1 2 will create a list 1 2, list AB AB, list 1 0 1 0, list 1 2 3 1 2 3, ABC ABC. Now if I say list 3 4, then A, then see carefully, car B C B dot C, and then into 4 minus 2. So first of all we evaluate this. So it becomes 4 minus 2 means 4 2 is 8, and as symbol is minus, it will minus 8. Fine. And then here it is 3 4 will be as it is, A will be as it is. Fine. So 3 4 and A is as it is. Car, this will return BC. Because I am saying car, so it will extract the first element of this, that is B. So the final list will contain 3 4 A B and minus 8, which is appeared over here. So this is how we do. We can use all functions in a nested way also. It all depends upon what you want to extract from the list. Similarly, you can look over here. Here we are having list. Within this we are having a nested list which is having AB element. Within this we are having again one more nested list which is having 3 elements C, D, E. So the output of this complete list will be A, B, C, D, E. AB in one list and C, D, E in another list. So this is how we can use list function of list to manipulate the data. Another is car. So what this car actually do? This car basically going to extract the first element from the function. So that I tell you again here. This is another example. Here I am having one function my library, in which I am having arguments like title, author, rating, availability. Now with the help of this list, what I am doing, I am giving the values. I am saying for title, this is we have learned in key argument. To title argument, I am initializing the value title, to author author, to rating rating, to availability availability. Now I am writing getF will get the function library, and what it will do, I have passed artificial intelligence one argument, Shivani Goyal second argument, third is 9, and availability is true, colon title. And what we display, it will be going to display only title. So this artificial intelligence is basically going to initialize to title. Shivani Goyal is an author, rating is 9, and availability is true. As I am printing title, so this title contains as artificial intelligence, that's why output is artificial intelligence. So this is how also list can be used. So this is an example of list in a function. So as we talked about various list manipulation function, now we easily understand car is used to fetch the first element from the list. CDR except first all the elements. Const takes 2 arguments, an element and a list, and return the complete list with the element inserted at the first place. So we have seen a few examples also of car, CDR and const, as well as we have seen the example of list, in which we have seen we can have any number of argument. It will be going to return a list with those number of argument as a member of that list. Append will be going to merges 2 or more than 2 lists. Last, it takes the list and return the list containing the last element. And then we see further on that we are having few more function. One is member. it takes two arguments, of which the second must be a list and first will be the member of which will going to check whether the member is lying in the list or not. So it returns the remainder of the list beginning from that particular member with the first argument. Reverse will be going to reverse the list. So these are certain list manipulation function. Here is an example where you can see if this is a list and we use car, it will be going to return me first element, that is A. CDR except A, rest of the elements, that is B, C, D, E, F. Cons will be going to create a list, that is A, B, C. List will also be going to create a list, but BC will be one list, EF will be one list. So there will be three member, one A, then BC list, then EF list. Append will be going to append the element into this, like append BC, EF, then within that PQ and then G, which is an empty list. So the output will be B, C, E, F, P, Q and G. Last will be going to return the last element, and last element is a list, that's why it is returning EF, because it is a list which is treated as a single element of this particular list. Reverse will be going to reverse it, so the first element becomes EF, then D, then C, then B, then A. So this is how, this is an example. Now see this list car function. We see more example of car. Car of the list: rose, violet, daisy, buttercup. So how we write? We write car and this is the list of element. What it will be going to return? It will be going to return rose. This is another example. You can try as many examples as you can. This is how you have to understand. CDR, what it will do? Except first element, it will be going to return rest of the element, that is violet, daisy, buttercup. These are the list of flowers, so from which I am extracting the values. Similarly, if we talk about car CDR, means list of lists. So I have three lists. One list is having lion, tiger, cheetah. Another list is having gazelle, antelope, zebra. And third list is having whale, dolphin, seal. So this entire list is having three members, and all the three members are having three sublists. And I want to find out the extract the first element. First element is a list. So what it will be going to return? It will be going to return lion, tiger, cheetah. Whereas when we talk about CDR, except lion, tiger, cheetah, it will be going to return me both the other list. One is gazelle, antelope, zebra, and another is whale, dolphin and seal. So in case of list, if it is not an individual member, it will treat the entire sublist as a single element. Similarly, if we talk about cons, so we can do in this way also. Already one list is containing Fi, fir, oak and maple. I want to construct a list with pine, so it will return me the combined list having pine, fir, oak and maple together. So this is also how it construct a list. Similarly, like cons construct, see, we can keep on merging the values. First of all, I am having empty list in buttercup, so it has returned me buttercup. Then I have added daisy into this. Daisies get added at the first position. Then I added violet into this, so the list becomes violet, daisy, buttercup. So you can do in this way also. You can keep on adding elements. It will always take the first position in the list. We can find out the length also of a list. How we find out? If we say print length buttercup, it will return me 1. Whereas if we say daisy buttercup 2, when I have added violet to daisy buttercup, it will return 3. If I talk about the empty list, it will return 0. So this is also we can do. Now repeated CDR function we can use. How? This is CDR. If this is the list, it will return me fir, oak and maple. Again it will return oak, maple. Again it will return maple. Again it will return nil. And for nil also nil, for empty also nil. So if you keep on repeating the CDR in a list, it will keep on fetching the values and returning you the except first element, rest of the elements, and one time it will come that it start returning nil value. And here another example is over there where two CDRs we have used in one time only. First of all, I am saying CDR pine fir oak maple, so it will return fir oak and maple. And again I am applying CDR to it, so what it will return? Oak and maple. So this is the output. So you can use nested CDRs also. Now this is an example of nth CDR. Nth CDR will be going to give you the value of nth position. It is having two arguments, first the position and second the list. So if I say 2, so after 2 the list is having oak and maple. So it will return oak and maple. Leave first two element and return the third element onwards. You can concatenate or join car and CDR also together. You have to remember one thing, that the car and CDR function and their combination allow extracting any particular element or member of a list. Sequence of car and CDR function could be abbreviated by concatenating letter A for car, remember this thing, and D for CDR. So within letter C and R, between C and R, if you want to extract first element, you say A. Again you want to extract first element, you will say A. You want to extract rest of the element except first, you will say D. Again first element A. Again rest of the elements D. Again rest of the elements D. So this is how you can combine it together or concatenate it together. So this is an example using which you will well understand this. I have to write car, CDR. So C and R will be fixed. Within C and R, first of all is A, then D, then A, then D. So first of all, this is the list. Fine. From this, what we have to do? We have to, first of all, from this list, CDR, what are the rest of the elements? C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Then what is there? Car. What are the elements? C, D. Then again CDR. So C will get cancelled, D. So output will be D. This is how you will be extracting. Just see carefully. First of all, we will be finding CDR. CDR will be except first element, rest of the elements. Fine. Now we have to do car. Car means first element, that is CD. Now again you have to say DR. So it means ki last element. So you are left with D. So this is how you can extract. You can have a concatenation of car and CDRs also. This is another example where I have written C, A, D, A, DR. So we have to operate these many number of operations. Here CDR, then car, then CDR, then car. Fine. So for this, this is what I have just explained. D will be the output. Again CAAR means from this, first of all car and then car. First element. So this particular list is having one list and one element, so it will extract first of all list AB and then from list AB A. So this is the output. Now again CADR means first of all D means leave first list, go to rest of the list. Then car means first element, so first element is what? 3, 4. That's why it has given 3, 4. So this is how we can concatenate car and CDR together. So this is all about various list manipulation function, and here we have completed our unit 5, that is Lisp. I just request you all people to practice as much as you can. This is not the end, it is just a small detail of Lisp programming language. You can explore it as much as you can, and in case of any doubt, put your queries in the description box so that I can sort it out. Thank you.